when Gurudev before he left for Switzerland with Maharishi, you described him as leaving wearing, trousers and a shirt. And then he came back with robes, a beard and long hair. And he was essentially a sannyasi at that point. And when we think sannyasi, we think somebody who's going to disappear off into the jungle somewhere in an ashram, isolated, no contact with friends and family. How was that for you? What did you go through when that news broke, and what did the family think, and how were they dealing with it?
I remember very vividly, like, he had returned from Switzerland. He had gone to Switzerland for 3 years. He had not come home. And in that he will send me cards, very special cards with lot of stamps, which I used to collect when I was in school. And then he will write in that, now here so many nice clothes are available. It's so tough to choose any. So I have decided to wear the white, which has all the 7 colors. So I will be wondering, why is he wearing white? Even then I say he's told 7 colors, And then he will say to me, in Bangalore, if you give 50 rupees, even by hair, even the head they can cut. But here it is so expensive, barber shop, like that. He's very humorous, Gurudev. That sense of humor is so beautiful. Even my father had a sense of humor, and my mother also. Always she will tell, whenever Gurudev come home and he will be in a hurry to go, so she will say, you are always in hurry, I am always in Shiva, she will tell, So such were the conversation between father, mother, son, And Gurudev has written to me, that's why I decided to grow my hair long, because I don't want to spend so much money on barber's shop. Like that. Then I said, oh, he's growing his hair long. Even then I had no clue. But when he came in the airport and me and Gurudev had gone to, bring him, and I saw somebody in a white kurta and then veshti, that dhoti, and little long hair like this. And I was thinking, who is this? Like, I'm searching for my brother who had gone in the pant shirt, and like I'm searching everywhere. And then when I saw his eyes, it was unmistakable. Nobody's eyes is like his eyes. So I couldn't go out of that, like just eyes were the caption. It captivated my whole being. That's it. Then when he came, he was there for 4-5 days, and in those days we were so busy asking him about his about his journey there, 3 years, what he did in Switzerland, all that. So he made us all forget about his dressing or his, my mother was asking, what is this Vesha, like she will ask, and he'll say, don't you like it? And she'll say, yes, yes. That is how it was accepted. And I had no clue, but during one of the Navaratris, I don't know whether I have written in this. Okay, one you want. So he will wear always one orange shawl. Somebody had given one saint had given him, and he was very fond of that orange shawl. So he'll wear that, and then somebody had told me, if white is okay for me. He is still in the house. Orange means I know he is going to go out of the house. So I was so against this orange shawl. Every time after these 10 days of Navratri, I will be the one who will take it and hide it. And Gurudev will always ask me, where is the orange shawl? He will ask me only, not anybody else. So I will look elsewhere, I will not even, that is a sisterly affection can be shown there. I wouldn't answer, but only every Navratri that shawl will come out, orange shawl. Even now he wears. Now I'm very happy everybody gives him color shawls. But that was, those were the days, I still used to have some hesitation. But I know that it is like, I had read it in Bhagavatam, that how Yashoda, used to think that the Krishna was her son all the time, how she was trying to hold the wind in the pallu, can you hold? She used to hold like that. Like that we can't hold Gurudev, he is everybody's. When you realize that, and Gurudev was saying, when you're holding like this, it is just limited. When you open it, it is everywhere, So like that I have had this experience, but he has introduced me to greater you know, that dimension, that anytime he is there for us, you know, all the time he is there for us. So that way I don't feel insecure anymore. The orange I like now.
Thank you.